Nakauwi na ako ng bahay. Woke up ako ngayon. Yan. Sasagutan yan. Yan. Nandi ka na?
Okay.
Apo na.
3, 2, 1.
Eh!
Papa, the other dog. Papa, you can see
Kawaii oh.
Can
Kawaii.
you read this, Kanji?
So far, not bad. Yan. So, dito guys, sa Japan, kapag maru, it means tama. Okay? So, ang ginagawa ko kapag tama is maru, and then pag mali, imbis na batsu, X, ginagawa ko nilang underline. Which is itong mga naka-double, mali ang pagka, yung ano, tama pala, pero minali ko. Yung gano'n. So far, lahat naman siya maru. So, dito, yan. Ito din, yung double na yan, nagkamali ako ng tingin. Kasi naguguluhan ako sa answer key. Yan. So, let's continue. Kung saan ako tumigil. Okay? So, ribbon, dokoda. Dito, isa lang mali natin. Next. Song. ABBAA. ABBAA. ABBA. Okay guys, tapos tayo mag-check. Hanggang dito lang ako. Yan. So, not bad. Ibig sabihin marami ako alam na vocabulary. So, as mommy said a while ago, when you answer my question, I want you to answer from the heart. Okay? And I want you to answer from you. Don't think about that Kuya Holly because I will ask Kuya Holly later, okay? Okay. So, do you feel my love?
Yes.
Okay. I love that. You didn't answer quickly. You didn't answer immediately. You ask your heart. I love that. Okay. I think, okay. So you think. Ask your heart, okay? Now,
wait. Can I tell you? Can I say like no if my heart say no?
yes. Oh. Whatever your heart says, you follow.
Okay.
I want you to be honest. When you say honest, it's not about good. Sometimes it's bad. Sometimes it's painful. It's hurtful. But honesty is the best. Okay? When it's no, ask your heart. When your heart says no, it's no. Okay, baby? Alright. Do you feel that I really care for you?
Heart, which is it? I think or yes or no? Kinda.
Okay. Am I a good mom? To you, okay? I'm not talking to Kuya Holly. I'm not talking about Kuya Holly. To you. Am I being a good mother to you?
Of course, you're a good mother.
Cute. Okay. I'm not gonna cry. We're not yet done. Okay. Am I a loving mom to you?
Of course.
Okay. Is there anything else? When you are not happy, when you're sad, when you're angry, what do you want mommy to do to you? You know this, when you're angry, you see a lot of things and you do a lot of things. How do you want mommy to react? How do you want me to react when you're not in good
Be
mood?
like happy and say, it's okay, Sarah, it's okay.
You just want mommy to hug you. And when do you want me to hug you? While you're angry or after you're angry? What do you want? I don't know sometimes.
When I'm angry.
So you just want me to hug you and just say, okay. For example, you want a toy. And you ask mommy, mommy, can I buy this? And mommy would say, no. Ne? For example, no. And you get angry. What do you want me to do?
Like say, it's okay, Sarah, let's buy it tomorrow.
Are you sure about that answer?
Actually, no. You say, Sarah, it's okay, kondo ka na ne?
Okay. You want me to say that?
Yeah.
For example, it's your bedtime, but you don't want to sleep. And mommy would say, Sarah, it's bedtime, and you don't want to sleep. What do you want mommy to say?
Go to bed, Sarah. I'll say a lullaby and read a storybook.
I am still catching up with the old videos. And bigla ako na-overwhelm. So maglilinis ako. Not totally maglilinis, but I'm just gonna declutter some stuff sa drawer. May naalala lang akong gusto kong linisan. Parang pahinga ko na ba? Pahinga ko muna sa pag-edit. Yan. Mag-ano lang tayo, guys. Declutter lang tayo. First time kong sasabihin to, ha? And I don't wanna sound ungrateful. Gusto ko na mag-share ng something. If you're thinking to have an L-shaped kitchen, guys, no. It's so hard to maintain. So hard to use. I have more reasons in the world nung ginagawa pa yung bahay. Gusto ko siya maging L-shaped. Ang dami kong reason. But guys, it's hard to maintain. And this is not to like sound ungrateful or mag-trigger ng baka L-shape ng kitchen nyo. But do you understand me kung bakit ko nasasabi to? Okay. Dami kong naalis. Yan. Nagkaroon siya ng mas maraming space. Yan. Empty na sa taas. Wala nang laman sa taas. Dito lang. Ayan. Ay, hindi kumaan yung loob ko. Ayan na yung pakiramdam ko. So, ito yung mga pang-dispose natin. Sinag ko yun, actually, Wala naman ako mga gamit guys na naka-stock na hindi namin ginagamit. Wala, I was looking for this. Nandito pala to. Nandito ka pala. Kaya teka. Tayo ka hinanap. Ayan o. Nakapag mini-maintain ko na lang talaga yung pagdi-declutter ko guys. Kaya ang ginagawa ko ngayon. Ito naman dito, ayan, okay naman siya. Hindi naman siya yung cluttered talaga. Ayan, ginagamit talaga namin yun. Pang summer, pang gawa ng parang halo-halo. Kasi ginagamit talaga siya, so walang problema. Wala namang over. Actually, yung ginagawa ko guys, mini-maintain ko na lang talaga yung bahay. Nabibigyan ka na lang, may mga gamit ka na palang, diba, nagkakastock mo naman. Gusto kong magbawas na ito ginagamit ko to, ginagamit ko yan, ito ginagamit ko na ito ginagamit din ito. Ayoko na sa'yo. May mga gamit pa to. Yung mga ganito guys, yung mga ganitong mason jar, huwag nyo siya itapon. Hanapan nyo ng paraan. Tulad nito, oh. Ano to? Yung sa pasta sauce. Lagyan ng mga ganitong snacks. Para instead na nakabalot, mas maganda yung nakalagay sa ganyan. Malinis tingnan. Pag nagdi-declutter ako, hindi ko naman yun overly na magbabawas talaga ako ng gamit. Okay lang naman na may gamit. As long as nai-enjoy ko siyang gamitin. Katulad dito, walang meron dito na hindi ko ginagamit. Gusto ko yung lap na yan. Yan. Kahit ito, hindi man namin ito madalas gamitin, pero ginagamit. Minsan kumakain, doon kami sa taas kumakain, sa roof deck. It's not really about kung ano yung, kung ilang piraso ang gamit or what. But as long as yung ina-enjoy nyo. Pag nag-declutter kayo guys, as much as possible, once a month, kasi hindi nyo napapansin, meron na namang nag-a-accumulate na naman yung mga gamit. Yan, katulad na, lalo na kapag may mga maliit na bata, hindi natin napapansin yun na, ayan, dumadami na naman yung mga gamit na hindi natin kailangan. So, maintain. Itong ginagawa ko ngayon, maintain na lang to. Kasi marami na tayong naalis dito sa gamit sa bahay. And, yan, kunting maintain lang para lang, you know, mag-reset ba. Ay, samok.
Oh, my love, you're such a fragile thing, I know. And with the winter comes the ice, the snow.